Hi, Dr. Brian Schmitz with Rum River Chiropractic. I wanted to give you an overview on why here at Rum River Chiropractic, we're the premier spinal decompression office in Ramsey, if not all of Anoka County. So what is spinal decompression? How does it work? What does it do? And how can it help you? So this is a model of your spine. Your spine has 24 individual bones. It protects your spinal cord and the spinal nerves. Now here we've got a vertebrae, or backbone. There's a hole between each bone that allows the nerves to come off from your spinal cord and go out into your body. There's a nerve that goes into every cell, muscle, tissue, organ, tells it what to do and how to do it. It carries a message from your brain down the cord and out into the body. So 24 bones that make up your spine, and there's a disc made of cartilage in between each of them. It acts as a spacer and a shock absorber for the spine. Now to orientate you, this is the front and this is the back of your spine. Okay, so we're looking at it from the side. Now your spine is made up of basically two things, bone and discs. Okay, we've got these vertebrae and they can bend, they can move, they can twist, and they can also slide out of place. The medical term is subluxation. They can put pressure on the nerves, they can pull on muscles, they can just basically cause dysfunction when that happens. A chiropractor's main treatment is to correct subluxations by adjusting the spine back into alignment. The other important part is the disc. Now we've all heard of herniated discs or a bulging disc or a slip disc. Basically what that is some dysfunction in the disc so that it starts to encroach upon either the spinal cord or the nerves as they exit the spine. When that happens, we can get any number of symptoms. We can get things like sciatica going down the leg. We can get radiculopathy, that's numbness and tingling that travels. Same thing can happen in the neck, where we can see it a lot in car accidents, whiplash, things like that. Those nerves get pinched, and we get stuff like pain going down the arm. It can cause headaches going up into the head, and all sorts of different signs and symptoms caused by the disc encroaching upon the nerve, causing pain, discomfort, and over time, even degeneration, where we start to lose the disc height because the discs become dehydrated, right? And the cartilage kind of wears down. Then all of a sudden we start to tell people stories about how we used to be 5'10" and now we're only 5'5", right? And why is that? Because we've lost the disc height because of degeneration. So how does decompression fit into all this? Well, everything we do puts downward pressure on us. So we use spinal decompression therapy to safely and gently stretch the spine vertically. Why? Because these discs are like sponges. Basically, if we start to stretch it out, it creates a vacuum that brings nutrients and water into the discs. It rehydrates the discs. It increases the disc height. If we're pulling that disc apart, we start to take pressure off the nerves that are traveling throughout the body. So how does it work? We do it for the low back lumbar spine. We do it for the cervical spine up in the neck. What we're going to do is we lay you down on the decompression table. We'll put a snug belt around your waist, and we'll put another one around your chest. Then we hook you up to the machine and put in a program specific to you. And then it starts to pull safely, softly, and gently, but consistently, stretching those discs and then relaxing. And then it pulls again, stretching out that disc. It creates a pumping motion. Whether you're doing this in your lumbar spine or we flip the table around, we're doing it up in the neck. We'll do the same thing softly, gently, stretching the spine, elongating, bringing health, nutrition, and hydration back into those discs. And we'll do this routinely, graduating you from step to step to get rid of these signs and these symptoms, this radiculopathy and sciatica. We'll figure out a good plan for you to maintain your progress because that's key. Once we make you better, we want to keep you there. So if you have any questions about spinal decompression, if you've got signs and symptoms that you want to come in and discuss, give us a call. We're more than happy to help out because right here at Rum River Chiropractic, we're ready to help you when you're ready to be your best.